Here's how we can make cinematic reels on Android. So let's get started. If this is your first time in here on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos and guides like this one. So of course, you need to capture the footage for it and then put it all together. So I would personally not go through the official Instagram or, Facebook Reels creation or TikTok. I would just personally set it up and made it beforehand, and then I would just upload it to the platform. So in my case, I like to just open up the camera app and switch from the regular video mode, which is fine. But if we want to make it cinematic and make it look a little bit nicer, I would go to the more option and choose a portrait video, which means that I can focus on a specific person or a face. Doesn't matter if I use a selfie camera or the back camera, but it's going to focus on my face, and the background is going to be blurry, so it's going to be nice and cinematic looking, and that's the thing which I'm aiming for. What I could do as well is that I would click on more option and choose the professional video mode, which means that I have the ability to control so many other things like the shutter speed, ISO, focus, white balance, and so on, right? So I could also end up with a much more cinematic looking shot just by focusing on these automatic controls right here. But then once I have the shots, which by the way should all be vertical since we are going to upload it on the short form platform, then we need to put them all together into a video editor. I like to personally use CapCut, which is fine and mostly free, depends on what you want to do with it, but you can import your clips into the timeline like that and then perform some edits to it. So you of course want to cut out all of the unnecessary parts, and you want to add perhaps some audio or music or whatever you are going after. But in order to make it look like really professional or cinematic, I would also click on the clips right there and choose some of the filters which are available. So if you go to the filters, you can make sure that you go to the movies section, and there are plenty of them which look very nice and almost like in a movie, right? That's like the point. You can also adjust the intensity, but this is how you can make sure that your reels look very professional and cinematic. You should also pay attention to the export settings so you can export it in this higher quality if you have the ability to, and also choose the frame rate and code rate so you can bump up the code rate to be high to, make the video high quality. But, once you exported, the video should be professional and very nicely done and cinematic looking. So I hope I was able to quickly guide you through it. In case you have some more questions about this, leave them below. For now, that's it, and I'm going to see you in the future uploads.